Fall is here, and just as sure as the pumpkin spice queens are getting out their yoga pants and blanket scarves, my mind is on putting together a can't-miss capsule wardrobe for the season. With the right 9 pieces, you can build a capsule wardrobe that gives you 15 put-together fall outfits without standing in your closet for an hour wondering what in the world you're going to wear. As I've said before, you don't need more clothes, you just need the right ones. Let's break it down. Welcome to Stray Reviews. I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you find the best men's lifestyle gear and apparel. And today, I'm walking you through a 9-piece fall capsule wardrobe that'll keep you looking great in any casual, smart casual, or slightly elevated casual setting. The beauty of a capsule wardrobe is that everything mixes and matches. It's designed so that any top, bottom, or layer can be paired with any other piece and still work. You're going to want to stick with a smart fall palette. Think gray, burgundy, olive, denim, brown, and you're going to be good to go. We'll start with the 9 pieces, then I'll give you 15 outfit combos broken into 3 style levels, and I'll drop a free downloadable PDF down below so that you can refer back to it whenever you're staring at your closet. You don't even need to leave your email address or anything, just click the link to download it. Also, there are links to most of the items that I'm going to share with you today down in the description as well. Okay, let's get into the wardrobe, going from top to bottom. First, we have the Flint & Tinder Vintage Slub Long Sleeve Henley in black. This is a rugged looking, versatile piece that can work as a staple really for most of the year, and it's 100% cotton. Next up is the Tailor Stitch Jack shirt in light blue, which happens to be the one that I'm currently wearing. This is one of my favorite button-down shirts, and I actually have 6 of them in different colors because I like the Jack so much. Being a fall wardrobe, we have to have a flannel, so I'm using the Flint & Tinder Jackson flannel in burgundy. Now, I do believe that this one has been discontinued, but really any burgundy flannel will work for this wardrobe. Next is this gray wool crew neck sweater from Pendleton. It's warm, it's versatile, and it is itchy like an old school 100% wool sweater. Moving down to pants, we have more Flint & Tinder with their stretch selvage jeans in rinse. These are reasonably hefty at 11.7 ounces and should serve you well through the cooler months. Our next pair of pants is the Flint & Tinder 365 chino pant in military olive. I took both pants in a slim fit because Flint & Tinder slims tend to fit a little bit more on me like a straight. So I do like a nice slim to straight fit. Okay, one more Flint & Tinder to top things off. It's their new classic chore coat in chocolate brown. A chore coat makes a great addition to a capsule wardrobe because they're so versatile and they can be dressed up or dressed down. For boots, really any brown boot should do, and I'm using a pair of Parkhurst Allen in this waxy rust color, and I find them very versatile and rugged, and they're just plain cool. The other piece of footwear in the fall capsule wardrobe is this pair of clay Dean sneakers with a light gum sole. And if they look familiar, it's because they were the sneakers in my summer capsule wardrobe video as well. And I was pleasantly surprised by these, and they've gotten lots and lots of wear from me. Lastly, we have some accessories to top off this capsule. The right accessory really can make a huge difference in a capsule wardrobe. So I'm picking the Huckberry X Citizen ProMaster Tough Watch collaboration. This watch has all the qualities that I love in a wardrobe piece. It's masculine, it's rugged, yet elevated, and it's classy. And really, it's versatile enough to go with every outfit in this capsule wardrobe today. I'm also sporting this Peaky Boston Scally cap in dark olive green herringbone, and it's getting cooler, and I like to have a hat on. Last but not least, we should never underestimate the difference that the right belt can make on a capsule wardrobe, especially since versatility is the name of the game. And that's actually why I'm excited that Anson Belt & Buckle is sponsoring this video. Now, these guys have set the standard for versatility and fit. If you're like me and you're between sizes with your belts, you're going to love their micro adjustable track system with actually just 1/4 inch increments. no more holes, and also you don't have to worry about ordering the right size. All you have to do is adjust it to your preferred fit and you are good to go. Since you can mix and match any buckle with any strap, you can create just loads of combinations. Plus, they have a variety of leathers, they have canvases, and they have micro suede options, so it's pretty easy to find what you're looking for. Anson has been around since 2009. They are proudly family owned and operated. They have over 40,000 5-star reviews and offer a lifetime guarantee on their products. And because Anson Belt and Buckle is sponsoring today's video, when you click the link in the description or you scan this QR code to build a box set, you'll get 2 bonus pieces, a buckle and a strap, completely free. That's 3 buckles and 3 straps, which can be mixed and matched into 9 unique belt combos, all in one box. It's an exclusive deal you won't get anywhere else, so click the link, build your set, and upgrade your belt game today. All right, let's take a look at 15 outfits we're creating from these 9 pieces, starting with some casual looks. We'll start with the black Henley, the dark jeans, and those clay sneakers for something that's effortless, masculine, and great for everyday wear. This one you don't have to really think too much about, and that's why I like it. Next is that gray crew neck sweater, the olive chinos, and we're sticking with the sneakers. It's simple, neutral, and it looks laid back. Don't forget to add a t-shirt so that wool sweater doesn't drive you crazy. Our third outfit is the light blue jack shirt, tucked or untucked, doesn't matter. Those dark jeans, and since it's casual, we're staying with the sneakers. A great go-to really for casual Fridays. Number 4 is the burgundy flannel, the chinos, and the sneakers. It's a little more bold and it's totally fall. For our last casual outfit, we're going back to the Henley and we're swapping out those jeans for the olive chinos and sneakers. It is low-key, but it's sharp, and you know what? It just always works. Okay, let's look at our smart casual outfits. These are great for a lunch date, casual office, or just hanging out with friends. We're gonna start with our light blue Oxford. We're gonna wear it with our olive chinos and put on those Parkhurst boots. This is clean and classic, and it looks great with that chore coat on cooler days. Next, we're going with the burgundy flannel, the jeans, and our boots. This is a more rugged, confident look, and great for casual dinners and weekend outings. Then we have our gray sweater worn over the Oxford shirt with the olive chinos and the sneakers. It is put together and it's layered. Now it's back to our black Henley and jeans with the boots this time instead of the sneakers. The boots actually just kind of dress this one up a little bit, and don't forget about that chore coat. If it's cold outside, you want to add that too. Next is our light blue Oxford, the dark jeans, and our boots. This is a crisp, casual look that you can wear really just about anywhere. All right, our last set of outfits goes in that smart casual direction for like date nights and fall gatherings. First, we have our burgundy flannel, our olive chinos, and our leather boots this time. It's a rich, tonal look that's going to look great with that chore coat as well. Number 2, we have our gray sweater over the Oxford shirt with the dark jeans and the leather boots. And this is just a great fall look for gentlemen. Next, we have the light blue Oxford with the olive chinos, our sneakers, and the chore coat. This one is light, structured, and in my opinion, pretty cool looking. Number 4, we have our black Henley, the olive chinos again, and our boots, and we're keeping the chore coat. It's rugged, it's confident, and it's comfortable. Lastly, we have our burgundy flannel, the dark jeans, the sneakers, and our chore coat. This one is rich, seasonal, clean, and grounded. All right, I'm gonna give you the bottom line, but if you're getting some value out of this, then I wanna invite you to the My Favorite Things free newsletter, where I send out a list of my favorite gear and apparel each month, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description as well. And like I said earlier, with a capsule wardrobe, you don't need to stand in your closet for an hour trying to decide what to wear. Stick with some quality items that you can mix and match, and you're good to go. And if you're looking for some great shirt jackets that can go with your capsule, then check out this video here. Once again, big thanks to Anson Belt & Buckle for sponsoring this video, and don't forget about their special deal for all my Stray Reviews friends. Also, I want to thank Huckberry for sending out a big chunk of our capsule wardrobe today, and I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.